I love lemons, and there is nothing better than a fresh squeezed ice-cold glass of lemonade. But don't throw away those seeds once you're done squeezing. I'll show you how to start a lemon tree from them. After you get all of the seeds out of the strainer, you want to rinse them well. Then lay them out on a paper towel. I put a little nick in the seed so that I'm able to peel off the outer layer more easily. Close-up videos like this let me know that it's a good time to redo my nail polish. These are slippery. It's tedious and can be difficult removing this outer layer, but it definitely helps speed up the rooting process. Whoop! That little guy got away. Alright, just repeat the process with the rest of the seeds. Next, you will get a damp paper towel and lay that out, and you will put all of the seeds on that towel. Then fold it up and place it in a baggie and tape it to a sunny window. Day 1. Day 2. Day 3. You can see some roots. Day 4. Day 5. Day 6. Whee! Plop. So now for the unveiling of the seeds. Some make it and some don't. You don't need them all. It just fascinates me that in 6 days' time we had a seed and now we have this. You'll want to use a cactus palm and citrus potting mix for your new little seedlings. Gently place the seedling in the soil and tuck it in. Then give it a good watering. Next, give it a sunny location to thrive. So in just 2 weeks' time, we have our starter plant. This will eventually be a beautiful lemon tree.